All right, so this is the last assignment for this unit on education, and this is the scholarship search. And you need to know that if you are going to go to college, that it's expensive. And so we need to find ways that we can get some assistance in paying for this, okay? So we're going to look for scholarships. Now, it should be known that if you take out a loan for college, you have to pay it back with interest. But if you get a scholarship, that means they will give you money based on your skills, and you do not need to pay it back, okay? So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to find your scholarship opportunities in Naviance, okay? So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the Home Kennedy High School page, click on resources, okay? I'm not going to go through this all with you, but the directions are here, okay? You have to do that in Naviance, okay? So that means you'll have to log into Naviance. Once you're in Naviance and you go through all of these steps and you click on all the things you're supposed to, you're going to find a list of scholarships, okay? I want you to choose 2 that you are interested in, and I want you to complete the chart. So name of the scholarship, do you qualify? What are the prerequisites for getting this scholarship? Do you have to have a certain GPA? Do you have to have play sports, whatever? Tell me how much money they're going to give you. What are the requirements? And when is this due? When do you have to have it turned in? Because they all have due dates attached to them. Okay. And then this down here is just other places where you could find some scholarship information. And in fact, the best place to go, I suggest, is with Miss Donnelly at the College and Career Center. I know she found some scholarships for students from like oil companies who are looking to give money to students who want to pursue a degree in auto mechanics. So there's lots of stuff out there. You can talk with your coach or your athletic director. There's some scholarship money out there. You can check with your teachers or your case managers. They might know something. If you're involved with a church or with a scouting group, you can ask them. Maybe they know some place where you can get some money. And then you can also search the internet, but be careful when you're searching the internet. Don't just sign up for anything. Talk to your parents about it first. All right.